For this project, you'll need your gel press and some texture plates. I'm using some pieces of old plastic sink mats and placemats. Add some black acrylic to your gel press and distribute, then press down your texture plate. Remove the texture plate and either wait until the paint dries completely or dry it for a few seconds with a heat gun or a hairdryer, just a few seconds. Add some color, press down your cardstock and wait a minute, and then pull your print. Keep going, we want lots of patterns with lots of different colors. Artist trading cards, ATCs, trace back to the conceptual art project initiated by Swiss artist M. Vinci Sternemann in 1997. He conceived of ATCs as a collaborative cultural performance aiming to create an art form that existed outside the traditional art market and foster community through exchange rather than commerce. The concept of ATCs draws upon a longer history of miniature art which has captivated artists and patrons for centuries, with examples ranging from medieval illuminated manuscripts to 16th century miniature portraiture. Now I'm going to use my gel press like a big rubber stamp by sticking it to a clear plastic frame. Add playing cards to a sticky cutting mat, making sure to cover the entire mat. Add paint to the gel press and then get some color onto the playing cards. You can stamp them with patterns if you want to. Next, we're going to take the My Favorite Things layered stencil and stamp set that I just created for Sizzix, and we're going to stamp the images on some white cardstock. I'm also going to stamp the images with embossing ink on some black cardstock, and then add silver and gold embossing powder to the stamped images. Heat set the embossing powder with your heat gun. I love the way this looks. Cut out your stamped and embossed images. Cut out the gel press pages just a little bit smaller than the playing cards and place them on top of the cards. Add your cutouts to the stack and stitch them together to make your ATCs. That's all there is to it. You can add more embellishments if you want to, even stencil over the top. It's up to you. Let me know what you think in the comments, okay? I always love hearing from you. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.